Hi, I'm George, and I got this Mobifitness Treadmill. It's a smart one, as they say, since I don't run pretty much. So let's see how it goes, and let's see what's inside this box. So here we go. We open up everything, and it comes with a manual, as we said. So those covers are for the sides, for those corners, for the fixing knobs. 2 screws, power cable, of course. Lubricant. I don't know what it's for, but we'll figure it out later. That's pretty much it. Let's see how it goes. So what we need to do is to do it for about 76 degrees. I don't know if this is right or not, but I'll come to that a little bit later. So it says we're gonna have to raise this part up until 76 degrees, and then we're gonna have to tighten the screws. You gotta shake it a little bit to make sure that screwdrivers are pretty much tightened inside. No chance to get loose here. Make sure it's in the right place. All right, go to the other side. We do pretty much the same. Shake it a little bit, make sure it's in the right place. Start tightening. All right, pretty much it. And then we use these covers. Pretty much easy. There we go. Looking nice. So what is good about this part, that it really can fold 90 degrees against the wall, and it's not consuming any space from the house, so you can literally put it anywhere. And the back of the treadmill is really artistic and well decorated for any place, your office, your home, anywhere you can use it, and it looks. At the back of the dashboard, you will find the folding button. You just press it and just leave it. All right, so now we're done with unboxing, unfolding and folding process. Let's see how it works and let's get more into it. So over here, we got the dashboard. We got this main button over here, and this part, you can put your phone on it. You can put your iPad, anything on it, and it's pretty big and it's pretty stable. The texture of it is like, it's not gonna let your phone slide or like slip away or anything, as the whole device is pretty stable. And since we're talking about this main feature over here, so this is the main button, and then you get the speed, calories, time, distance, all what you need over here to know. However, in the phone there is an app, Mobifitness, which can connect you to any Mobi devices, and you can monitor your exercises, your workout, and also what's happening on the dashboard. You can connect it via Bluetooth to your treadmill. So for this part here, we can just press start, 3, 2, 1, and then it keeps on going. And then to control the speed, just by rotating here, you can see the speed is increasing. Feels very good, stable, quality is nice, steady. All right. Let's say you have an emergency, someone calling you, someone knocking on the door, you can simply short press and it will pause. So for pausing the treadmill, you have to short press it. If you want to stop it, you have to long press it. The good things about it, like what I really like, the belt, the color, the artistic part on the back of it. Even if you fold it up, it doesn't look ugly. It looks nice, neat, the texture of it and everything. And it's pretty convenient. I do work out most of the time, like 4 or 5 times a week. My cardio level is below 0, like so bad. So I had to figure out a way, since I got a couple of pounds that I need to lose, and also keep my cardio level above 0, then was a pretty tough decision. Anyway, it's pretty convenient, tempting, since it's already at home. Whenever I feel free, I can just jump on it and get it done. And then before your meetings, you can go do your cardio, done with your workout, take your shower, get ready, go out fresh.